There are several applications of union find operation in algorithms. In this video, we will look at how union find operation can be used to detect a cycle in the graph. Let us consider graph G. This graph has 6 vertices and respective edges. Initially, we have an empty set. Now, since we have 6 vertices, so we will create 6 disjoint sets, each containing one vertex. We will also have a parent array P where all the elements are initialized to -1. Then we will perform union operation on sets if there is an edge between the vertices and the vertices are not in the same set. So we have an edge between vertex 1 and vertex 2. Now we need to find whether vertex 1 and vertex 2 are in same sets. Vertex 1 belongs to set 1 and vertex 2 belongs to set 2. So they are in different sets. Therefore, we will perform union of set 1 and set 2. So now, after the union operation, both the vertices 1 and 2 will be in the same set. Then we have an edge between vertex 1 and vertex 4. Vertex 1 belongs to set which contains 1 and 2, and vertex 4 belongs to set 4. So they are in different sets. Therefore, we will perform union of set which contains 1 and 2 and set 4. So now, after the union operation, vertices 1, 2 and 4 will be in the same set. Then we have an edge between vertex 2 and vertex 3. Vertex 2 belongs to set which contains 1, 2 and 4. And vertex 3 belongs to the set 3. So they are in different sets. Therefore, we will perform union of set which contains 1, 2 and 4 and set 3. So now, after the union operation, vertices 1, 2, 4 and 3 will be in the same set. Then we have an edge between vertex 2 and vertex 4. Now, we need to find whether vertex 2 and vertex 4 are in different sets. Vertex 2 and vertex 4 belongs to the same set. We can say this because the parent of vertex 2 is vertex 2 itself, and the parent of vertex 4 is also vertex 2. So, since both the vertices have the same parent, or since both the vertices have the same root, therefore they belong to the same set. And if there is an edge between the vertices, and if they belong to the same set, that means there is a cycle in the graph. So, this is how we can use union find operation to detect a cycle in a graph.